Hello, everyone. My name is Gabby Taylor. I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you. Um, right now, I currently work for a high school. I'm a secretary that deals with attendance and truancy issues with our students. We serve grades 9 through 12. I also serve a dual role as the event liaison for our school. So I pretty much work with the families that have become displaced or end up in transition and become homeless during the school year. I've only been in this job for maybe the last 2 months. Prior to that, I worked for a year for a program that provided intensive case management to individuals receiving public assistance. So, getting into this class and learning more about social policy and delving into social welfare definitely is something that interests me because I do work with this population extensively and have for about the last 6 years or so. So from the last few classes that we've taken, I've definitely learned a lot. I took a lot away from obviously the most recent class that we did, working with experiments and things of that nature and doing research and just seeing how imperative that is in the process I'm in right now, which is grant writing for a program that is a transitional housing program I'm on the board of directors for. Um, and also just, kind of recognizing from our interpersonal processes class my role in different group environments and just learning different ways of communication from the human behavior class that we took. So definitely looking forward to absorbing everything that I can from this class as well. Look forward to meeting you all and thank you for watching my video.